In this video, I will show you the world's biggest affiliate program. So now everyone will make money online without any investment, without any inventory. I will show you on my screen how you will use that program. Each and everything I will show you on my screen. This video is going to be very important. Make sure to watch this video complete to understand the complete procedure. You will be amazed and definitely you will like and share this video. So if you are new on this channel, make sure to subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon. So without wasting the time, let's move to the screen and I will show you that how you will earn money online and you can earn $10,000 per month easily. Okay, so guys, so this is the website called impact.com. This is world's biggest affiliate network, and I will take you to the tour for this website in this video. And you can see this is the world's biggest affiliate program website. So we will check actually works. That .com is a technology platform that helps companies manage their partnerships and affiliate marketing programs. The platform provides tools for tracking, managing, and optimizing partnership with other companies and affiliate, including tracking sales and commissions, managing promotional materials, and automating payouts. Okay, so all brands and affiliate programs in one roof. Let's suppose, guys, if you join this network, you will no need to go any other network. You will get all type of brands and things over in this website like SamRush, and there are multiple tools website. There are multiple programs. You can promote their products and you will get commission. And the best thing is there is if you promote different brands, and for example you get $20 from one website, $30 from one website, $50 from one website. So there is so you will get the threshold of $100 like Fiverr affiliates. If you have seen my playlist on Fiverr affiliates, DG Store, any other platform, so there are multiple thresholds. You will get that $100 minimum. But here in this website, if you generate $30, $20, $15, you can merge that amount and you can withdraw your amount as well. So for the brands, influencer marketing, affiliate marketing, mobile partnerships, business development, analytics, and SaaS program, partnership marketing, services, influencer studios, publishers, overview, and I will show you that how you will create your account. So are you a brand? No, we are not brand. Are you a partner? So we will click over here. But in the next video, I will tell you that how you will create your account, how you will get the affiliate links, how you will promote your affiliate products, digital or physical or any type of product. I will show you in the next part. But the purpose of this video is to telling you that impact.com is the biggest affiliate program network. You should join. And I have told you that simple you will begin and you can get your account done. In summary, impact.com is a platform that helps businesses establish and manage partnership with other companies and affiliates to drive sales and grow their business. So this is super amazing website which I have already. I am working on this website. I'm not making video on account creation and this type of things. This is the part one. I will make part two. Kindly tell me in the comments. If I get a lot of comments for part 2, I will definitely make video on impact.com. On the part 2, I will tell you that how you will create your account, how you will get the affiliates links, and how you will promote it. So I am waiting for your comments, and definitely I will make a second part. So impact.com traffic, we will see over here that 2.9 million traffic is on impact.com. So I have actually this is the solution of your problems, that you can join this network and you can promote multiple brands, multiple networks in one roof, in one shed. So I am waiting for your comments. So if I get a lot of comments, I will definitely make second video on it. So till now, take care and goodbye.